Hey guys, welcome back. So this is Rajan Sharma, and in this video, I'm going to show you that guys, this is our social media app playlist, and we are implementing chat system. And there are some problem that is happening with this chat system. I am trying to make it simple, effective, and efficient for the users, but still it is creating some problems. So in this video, I will talk about how can we make it more easy. And some of my viewers are telling me in message that sir, it is creating problems. So in this video I'm back with this video. In this video I'm back with a solution. How can you make it more easy? So guys, the problem is happening because of when you scroll down, so it's hard for our app to recognize that it is text, audio, or image. But so there are some tricks that we can follow. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just open this message activity, understand, go down, and where we are doing the message. So what you have to do is very simple thing. So guys, you have to make, so for example, now we are saving text for text, so you have to make it t. And for audio you have to make it only a. And I will also tell you the reason why I'm doing this. So guys, the reason behind it is when the string is long, so it takes time to validate, and when you will give a single letter, so it will be easy. That is the reason. So you have to find the, so guys, when we will upload the audio, so here you have to make that, you can see that this is a audio type, and you have to give a, understand. Now you have to open this send image. Here we are uploading the image, so you have to make the type of the image. So we will make it iv. So instead of this you can give I, understand. And keep these patterns, keep these type in your brain, just remember them. And after this guys, you have to here what we will do is, you can see that message view holder. You have to simply select this entire stuff and then delete it, understand. Now we deleted it. So after this guys, what you have to do, so after this guys, here what you have to do is we will do the validation, same thing here, but the you know this time a little bit different. So first of all guys, now we will check that if sometimes id is slow. If type, मम्मी पंखा चला दो, type equals I. And no, not like this, sorry. So first of all remove this. So first of all what we will do is that if current uid dot equals sender uid, and if it then else if type equals receiver uid, then this, understand. So guys, now we have these two, understand. If it is sender uid, and if it is receiver uid. So after this what you have to do here is, again now we will validate that if type, and instead of this type here, you have to write current uid. Yeah, now we can proceed. So here you can write if type dot equals, and that will be I for image. And make sure you delete the previous message node from Firebase real-time database, understand, because it may have iv type, that will create problem, understand. After this you have to write receiver tv dot set visibility, and just make it gone. And then sender tv, receiver tv, then after this now it's time for sender tv dot set visibility, and again gone, understand. Then iv sender dot set visibility, gone. Then use picasso dot get dot load, you have to write image dot into image view iv sender, obviously, because it is sender, understand. And then other things, you can also make them, you can also make audio file invisible if you want. And then guys, else if this time type dot equals, so now it's time for text. So for text we are giving t. And then else if, this time type dot equals, that is going to be for audio, so only a, that's all. So now we can code Yeah, so this time guys, what here we need to do is we have text, so we have to write receiver TV dot set visibility, and that is going to be gone. And then again sender TV dot set visibility, and that is visible. Then sender TV dot set text, that will be message. Message is for the text message, so keep the child in your mind. Then receiver ll receiver dot set visibility, gone. You have to make other childs gone, understand? And then after this ll sender dot set visibility, gone. And then you can copy these codes, control plus C, and make them gone here too. Yeah, so you have to make other useless childs gone, so it will be easy. So after this you can write iv sender dot set visibility, gone. Iv receiver dot set visibility, gone. So we have to make visible only those text views and image views which is needed, and the rest should be gone. And then after this I think that's enough for the text part. So after this we can go for the audio. So you can copy this whole stuff from here, control plus C, and control plus V. This time guys, what you have to do is just delete this sender TV and make it gone. And after this you have to make it visible. Only ll sender should be visible, then other things should be invisible, understand? I mean gone. Only ll sender should be visible. Fine. After this guys, after a long time I am saying this word fine, because my viewers are saying that I'm using too much, so I stopped using it. So now you can see that we are doing quite good. Yeah, after this we can proceed now. So now it's time for the receiver. So you have to do the same thing, so just copy these codes from here, because it's yeah, not only this, you can copy this whole stuff, control plus C, then control plus V, and you have to change the IV receiver to sender. So this time guys, you can see that now it's time for the receiver. So here we will make it IV receiver, and this time this should be gone. This should be visible, and it should be receiver TV dot set text message. And then uh, here receiver TV receiver IV receiver, and IV receiver sender TV IV receiver should be IV receiver dot set visibility, visible, understand? And make sure that here it is also visible. So just make IV sender dot set visibility, visible. So just keep these small mistakes in your mind, because it will create problem. Yeah, it's not that difficult, it's quite easy. You just need to make sure you are doing correct things. Yeah, so when it comes to text, you can see that sender TV is gone, text TV should be visible, and the message is correct, and the rest should be gone. Now it's time for the audio. So for this you have to make the ll receiver visible. Yeah, that's all. And ll sender should be gone. Yeah, so that's all for this video. You can see that now our coding part is almost complete. Yes, only one thing should be visible, and that is ll receiver. And make sure guys you deleted the previous message node, because it may have different data type, I mean set type. And then after this, when you give this a, t and I, so what it will do, when you will scroll down and your app will the time of the validation reduces, so it's the chat system will be efficient and more good for your users. They will have a better experience. And I'm trying my best to make these things simple. So guys, now the coding part is complete. So guys, that is all for this video. So when you will run the app, it will work better this time, and I hope you will not face the problem again. and still if you face the problem, after making this tutorial, after following this tutorial, you will not face problem, but still the percentage of error is very less. But still, if you face any error, you can ask me on Instagram. I will try to make I will work on it again, understand? But I hope it will not create problem. So I hope you guys implemented chat functionality and comments functionality successfully. So if you guys like this playlist, so please subscribe my channel, share my videos, and like my videos, because it will make me happy. Thank you for watching.